This super long extension cord helped me solve a problem here in my living room where all of my outlets were occupied, but I needed power over in one corner, and there was an available outlet across the room. So because the cord is 25 feet long, I was able to go from that outlet across the room, string the cord behind the furniture, and get not 2, but 4 outlets right where I needed them. This extension cord has 2 USB ports and 4 3-prong outlets, and it also has a power switch which will automatically trip if it ever gets overloaded to help keep your home safe. And I also really like that the extension cord's plug is nice and flat, so it fits well behind furniture. You can either use it on the ground like I did, or it has these 2 slots in the back that you can use to mount it up, and it comes with the screws that you can use to install that, as well as this little mounting template, which is a sticker that you can stick right onto the wall, drill exactly where you need to the first time, and easily mount it. And it also comes with this Velcro strip that you can use to tie up the cord whenever you're not using it. This extension cord is excellent quality, and I highly recommend it.